This program is made possible in part by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Check out Don Quixote, a brand new show from PBS Kids.
Follow me for some moving art ideas. Music! Purple Panda is painting away. He's getting ready for the art show today.
It's purple, 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 purpley.
Let's see. Ooh-wee. Look at Bob Dog's masterpiece. So many colors looking oh so sweet.
I'm gonna roll it over to the show. Can't wait to go.
Well, there's an art show. Come and take a look at all the colorful and cool artwork. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, mama, hey, hey, hey. Art show today. Art show today.
Don Quixote, a brand new show, starts Monday, May 3rd on PBS Kids and on the PBS Kids video app.
Get ready to go where no dinosaur has ever gone before. PBS Kids presents Dinosaur Train Adventure Island, a super big, super new movie.
Ready to be amazed?
Yes! With wild rides and dinosaur robots.
It's a dance-off!
Buckle up and hold on tight.
Yippee-ki-yay!
Dinosaur Train Adventure Island, a new movie. Watch now on PBS Kids and the PBS Kids video app.
Next up, Adventure Island!
Every kid can be any dinosaur.
Watch Dinosaur Train Adventure Island, Friday at 7, 6 Central on PBS Kids Family Night.
Question for you. Do you shop on Amazon? Well, if you go to smile.amazon.com, Amazon will donate 0.5% to Valley PBS. Yes, it's the same Amazon. Same service, and you're helping to keep programming right here in the Valley. Go to smile.amazon.com and choose Valley PBS as your nonprofit.
Fresno Chaffee Zoo is now open. Experience outdoor family fun, visit your favorite animals, and take a journey around the world. To learn and explore with us, pre-purchase your tickets now at FresnoChaffeeZoo.org.